Now we shall look at the default video editor of my computer, Windows computer. By default, there is a video editor coming. So you can just select some photos, right click on the photos and then create a new video. By default it comes, or edit with photos. Both are same audio. Program called photos or video editor, both are actually same thing. So when you click on that, it opens. All those photos came into this project library. You can just click on and give a name, trial video. Okay. Then select all these and put it in the storyboard down. Just pull and put it here. Now this is seen here. So if you want a title card here, you can just click on title card and say at the first stage what you wanted. You can add a title by clicking on the text and type, for example, welcome. Welcome. Then choose one from that you want, anything for that matter. Okay, I chose that and click OK. So all those tips, what each of these photo you can click and change here duration, title, motion. For example, click on the motion. You can say it should come which way, this way, that way. All that can be done. See, OK. So each of them you can simply click and, for example, edit 3D edit. I will just a moment. Hitting 3D effects ready for your video. So which kind of 3D effect is needed, they're asking. So how many options are there? You can choose one of them. For example, this one, and say done. And so like that, everything, whatever, if you feel like something, you can just click on each of that and say 3D effect, or cancel that and some other effect you try. For example, filter, which is style, color. Okay, that kind of some kind of changes. Go on each of them, you can click on each of them and do whatever modification that you want. For example, you can insert one background music. Click on this background music and choose maybe something which is already made, given by in the computer. You can choose anything and sync with the video with the music, means it will be much better, and say OK. Or custom video or custom audio means you can click here and choose from your file. You click on this and choose from your audio file that you don't want. Cancel that one. So now setting is done. So after all that, you can say finish videos. And whatever modification you want, if you want to add title anywhere, any more titles, for example, one more title, this one you any kind of changes that you want. For example, and changing and putting one more title card here. Here also you want to try something, you can click on that. Hi. So that was the first one. That will be put back. Put the wrong one. This will put back and take the first one, second one. This was the empty one. So you can pull each photo can be moved from here, there, all that. So click on this and put a text. Thank you. Okay, just this style inside, and I will take that one to the end. You can move till the end. So whatever things that you want you give, then you okay, finish video. Which quality you want? Very good quality. I will put it as low quality just for sample sake. Then give a place. Okay, trial video. I'm saying same thing, exporting into video. So the more time you spend and design, it will become better, but now just for showing sake I did it very fast. I am also not using this program, just trying only. There are so many ways that we can use for video editing. This is the easiest and simplest and default automatic. Like the same way in mobile also we have so many softwares that we can download free, and I like in mass is very, and a lot of videos that we can make in that. What I showed in my YouTube channel, whatever I have put is made mobile only, taking some photos here and there, and before reaching home, we already made mobile in the mobile itself and upload to YouTube. We don't need, unless you are very professional work here. These are simple videos for some programs. Okay, so then. Since you did not choose much animation, so each of them we are To create a video from mobile. For example, there are different software that we use for making videos, and whatever you get used to, that becomes easy for you. For example, I am taking here KineMaster. Some others may be using some of the different programs, so I shall go for KineMaster to show you how to make a video. First of all, let us choose some photos from among the photos that you have in your gallery. For example, if you have had a function, in that function you can take whichever photo you would like to use for that video that you are making, and just decide accordingly. If you can arrange and keep, it will be easier in that which order you want. If you put name the files in that 1 2 3 order, so when you collect everything together and take to that software, it automatically will be in that order. Now I am just taking at random from here, and there are some photos. Let us simply select maybe some birds. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So any amount of pictures that you want, just select whatever you want. If you had saved in that order 1 2 3 in that order, it would have been in the same order in which you need the video. So now I just took at random, then share, then choose which software you want to use for making video. So I want to KineMaster, so just touch on KineMaster. Automatically all that will go. Now it will interface will change, so you have to turn your mobile. So now all the photos came into that software. So here is the this one. So how many photos you put, all that is showing, each of them. Now whatever titles you want or animations that you want, you can give. Plenty of options are there. For example, here, each of this photo, when you click, if you want to change the size, or for example here I gave this style, then OK, then go to next one. So whatever adjustment that you want to make for each one, you can do that. Then if you want to animation or one title, if you want to type on top of that, you can just click on this and use the text for typing something. For example, whatever program is there, you type what message you want, then you can adjust that. You can change the fonts. From here there are many fonts available, whichever language you want. So for example, now I use display some languages, so you use whichever. Just type this, come screen, simply dot. Then if you want to put some stylish alphabets, you can choose from all those things. So now I kept border. If you want to change the color of the border, that way. And then again on that, if you want to put a glow, you can choose what kind of glow you want, which color you want, the size of that glow, all that you can decide from here. Then each of that photo, if you want some animation in between, just click that plus sign and then choose what kind of style you want. For example, 3D, I just put it this way to come. The next one, put another style, simply just showing you different styles. Then click another one and choose some other style. Click another one, maybe different styles for each of those photos. Memory albums, just put in something. Then whatever options that you give, everywhere we shall give something. Then next one, plenty of options to choose from, so you choose whichever you like. At random I am giving anything. If you have some favorite, you can, after doing few times, you will come to know which is better or which is suitable in that occasion. So each of those mobile things you collect and then give one. These are different animation, transition animations. So now you finished giving different animations to each of them. Now you can put one music. You can click on this audio and choose music without words, the first ones. Or if you have saved some songs from in your mobile, all these are came by WhatsApp, or if you have different folders that you have saved, all that is here. You can choose from, or your albums, whichever photo that you want, or bhajan audio, all that. So now I'll put a music, simple music from first one, maybe some birthday songs, something like that music. So plus sign, so that music is come here. And then whatever animation that you want. For example, if you increase the volume or reduce the volume, click on that and you can use this if you want adjustment of starting slowly or softly or anything, whatever adjustment can be done from there. And if you want something on top of that, another media, and click media and choose from your photos, or you on top of the photo another photo, then click from layer and then media. The same place will come, but on top of the other you can keep. For example, if you want something on top of that, maybe some happy birthday or congratulations, something you want to write on top of that, you can use that way. Or you can even put a green screen effect to show some nice pictures. For example, if I put this if I put and bring to that place and then use chroma key to remove that green, so now those pictures will be behind that. Okay, now we shall play and see how far it reached. You click on this play sign and then export video. So click on export here on top, then say which you want, bigger size, smaller size. This is increasing the quality, then size will become big. So if you have poor quality, so smaller in size, then full HD, HD, SD, all that depending on the quality that you want. If you put 4K is the highest quality, this is somewhat medium quality. So medium quality with poor bit rate, so that file size is only just 9 MB. So okay, export. So now it will be exported into a video. Now exporting is over. Now you can play that video in whichever software that you like to play with. Now you can see